Now we are going to test for ammonium radical. First, this is a ammonium chloride. Okay, take a sample of ammonium chloride in a test tube by the spatula. This is a spatula. Now 2 or 3 drops of NaOH, sodium hydroxide. The smell, this is the ammonium smell. Okay, confirm. Now for confirmatory test, the glass rod dipped in a HCl. Take the mouth of test tube and the vapor coming out from the test tube. This is the confirmatory test for ammonium radical.